In this video I will be showing the underbody of the Nissan Sentra, since it's a thing that goes unnoticed when purchasing a car. In fact, nobody even thinks of the underbody of a car or how it's even constructed. So maybe this video can help you if you want to buy this car. So let's take a look at the components and their quality. As you can see, there is plenty of metal shield to keep the heat away from the cab, and it looks like good quality metal. Also, there is anti-rust coating on the pipes to prevent rust. I wish that there was a metal shield protecting the catalytic converter, since it's one of the things that is being stolen right now. Here you can see the plastic cover that runs from wheel to wheel, but it's not clear what's covering, since there is usually nothing on the edges of a car. Or perhaps it covers the fuel and brake lines, which that's a good idea. I wish that there was a metal shield protecting the catalytic converter, since it's one of the things that is being stolen right now. The most noticeable change on the Sentra's underbody is this under-engine protector that covers the engine bay, and there are around 26 fasteners that need to be removed in order to have access to the oil pan and CVT. So it's added work, and they have made it more complicated for the average person to work on their own cars. And I would imagine that you must have that plastic protector on, or you could void your warranty if you remove it. So subscribe, because I will upload a video on how to remove that cover so you can work on your own car very soon. On the new Nissan Sentra SR, the suspension has improved a little bit. It feels more comfortable and quieter. Maybe since it's the top of the line trim level, they used better components. I'm not sure about the quality of the entry-level Sentra, but in the SR the suspension has improved, and the rear independent suspension probably gives it a smoother ride. So here are a few clips of how the engine and CVT sound while the car is on, and maybe decide if they are loud or quiet. To me personally, it sounds like the older generation. To conclude, the underbody seems well designed and looks like it has some good quality components, but others could be better. And I wish to see a metal shield protecting the catalytic against theft. Also, I think it's going to be harder for an owner to replace its own oil or work under the car in general, since that engine protector needs to come off first. Also, that black paint is probably anti-corrosive or anti-corrosion paint or grease, but that is a dealership add-on and not from the manufacturer itself, and that is done to make more money from the sale while protecting your car. That's it for this video. Leave a like and subscribe.